Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing Prison Break with my brother. Yeah. So we're gonna Ben, what are we gonna do? Okay, so I'm back. Where are we? Where are we? Okay. Sorry for that. Ben. What's what?
This is a model for you.
Okay. No one cares. No one cares. Wow, that's impressive. No, it's not. 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 I love your what the.
I was trying to do.
Wow. Impressive. Then you're not funny. That's my brother's not funny.
What? This is what you do.
Ben, we're going off the map. Oh my gosh.
I need more.
So Ben, and he crashes again, and he crashes again. He's back on land. I just realized that for some reason.
Olivia, it's a run.
What does this mean? I need a translator.
Olivia,
Translates my child. Google Translator. Google Translator. No, I don't need you. You're useless. Useless. I need to know what this means. What did he say? I don't stand still.
Olivia, get out and run.
My brother's amazing.
Anonymous. Oh no, Olivia. Olivia, someone's recording.
What?
Yo.
Hey!
Yo, what you do? You butt yo.
Wait, did I get any? Got money, let's go! Go!
Run! 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 Oh my gosh!
Hold my butt, horses!
Oh my. Run. Run from the Bugatti. Run. Run as fast as you can.
Thanks, Ben, for being with me.
Run. 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 Run like a chicken.
I'm genius. I'm a
chicken.
genius.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ben's stupid. Ben's dumb, but Ben's making.
Run. Run. Run.
Ben, go to the place.
Run! Oh my.
Ben, go to the criminal base.
Olivia, come back. Oh my gosh.
I can't. I'm not getting out of the car.
Run. Let's run find our pretty. No.
What have you done? What has my brother done? Good job, Ben. I have the snuffles.
Okay. We're gonna chill here. Let's see. There's a
Oh, crap.
helicopter. There's a helicopter that is making us.
Dun 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 dun
Change
dun
my
dun 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 dun.
Frost.
Everything's like
Hold on,
frozen.
I'm changing it.
It's dead.
Racer. Wine sport. So now nobody will find us. Nobody will find us.
Yeah.
Look at mobile vehicle garage.
Oh, cool.
Rob. Olivia, Rob. Olivia, say you had to go up and do this, then boom. Then you had to wait for it. Now just like do something. Like you have to press F. Press F. Yes! No,
Genius.
actually really better.
Help me!
So
I'm gonna die.
yeah. Yes.
That's all I'm getting because I'm scared.
Now avoid the redness. Now do this for you.
Do it for me, Ben. Please, thank you, my
Because
friend.
I know it. I know it. Okay, then this next one is purple. But yeah.
They're coming, Ben. They're coming.
Boom. Yay. Now you have to do something. Now,
Oh my crap. Ben!
I know where to go. You have to go to take pictures. You're smooth. You got to smooth.
Wait, so no one now.
Yes, they can.
They can.
But you still get the money.
Ben! Get me. Get me.
Oh my
Go
God.
get me! Go, 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 go. Boy, they got it.
They got it. No!
Ben, my brother's crying.
What's me?
But I still have the money! Yes!
What? Ah! Let's go into my VIP server.
Wait, no, not yet.
Look, it's harder in a normal server.
Okay. On this, and we're gonna join my brother's VIP server. Okay. We're joining my brother's server. See, it's my brother's server.
And then you can. No, please. Olivia, you can go into prisoner X.
My brother's
I hate you. That's what you
Okay.
I'm gonna rejoin. And then I'm gonna kick you from it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. If you don't go as police and let me pickpocket you like I let you last time, then you're not allowed anymore. Then I'll allow you under.
Okay.
No, on the wrong place. You went on the wrong place.
Thanks for watching. See you next time at Ducky the Gymnast. Woo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And also join the Ducky Squad. Dun, dun.